Good morning everyone. Hope everyone you are fine. So today we are going to start new chapter number 6, weather and season. And first we will start with the new words. So the first word is constant. The meaning of constant is something that does not change. It will remain the same. Another one, atmosphere. Atmosphere, a mixture of air and other gases that surround the air. Now we can feel the air, we cannot touch. As a mixture of all the gases and air is called atmosphere. Now third one, duration, a time period that which something lasts. For example, if you have hire one bicycle for 3 days, so the duration of hire will be the 3 days. Another one, chill, a feeling of being cool. The meaning of chill is a feeling of cool. For example, when you go to the shop, you will ask for a Coca-Cola. Give me a chilled Coca-Cola. So it means a cold Coca-Cola. And another one, slanting. The meaning of slanting is sloping but not straight. It is like this. It's a sloping but it is not straight. Another one, water vapor. The meaning of water vapor is gaseous form of water. So the gaseous form of water is called water vapor, and the solid form of water is called ice. Like that, only gaseous form of water is called water vapor. Now, frequent. Meaning of frequent is something that happen often, again and again. It will happen. Then another one is gale. So the meaning of gale is a word given to a strong wind. When there is a strong wind, a name is given that is called gale. Now the last one, storm. Storm means a condition of weather with heavy rain and strong wind. When there will be a heavy rain and strong wind, both combination is called storm. So now we will study about the weather. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time. Means whether it will change frequently, place to place and time to time. For example, if today it is a sunny day, tomorrow it may rain. And here it is very sunny. If I will go some far away, some 20 kilometers, it might be raining at that place. So it will not remain constant. It will change frequently. And one, temperature. The temperature of the place tells us whether it is hot or cold. Now, if the temperature is high, then it will be hot, and if the temperature is low, it will be cold. So, when you go up the mountain, then the temperature will get low. And usually, it depends upon the sunlight, the amount of sunlight it receives. If the amount of sunlight is high, then the temperature will be hotter. Because of that, only the days usually will be hotter than the night. Now air, as we all know, air we cannot see, we can feel it, we cannot touch the air. Okay, and there are different type of air. First one, wind. Wind is moving air is known as wind. For example, when the sun shines, it makes the air hotter, and the hot air it moves upward, and the cold air it rushes to the places, on places. So this movement is called wind. Another one, gale. As I have said you, gale, it is a wind blowing very fast. When a wind will blow very fast, it is called gale. Now third one, breeze. Breeze means it is the air which is moving gently. Usually you can see in mountain places. If you go to the Nandi hills, you will feel a gentle wind. Okay, that is called breeze. Now last one, storm. Storm, sometimes what happens, there will be wind moving strongly, and with that wind only there will be heavy rainfall. So both the combination wind and rain, heavy rain and strong wind is called storm. And this causes damage of building, this causes damage of houses, and even sometimes what happens, it break the branches of the tree. Now we'll go to moisture. Moisture is the water vapor in the air. Now the gaseous form of water, when it mixed with the surrounding air, it is called moisture. Now as the moisture amount of moisture increase, we will start feeling uncomfortable, and this moisture also causes rainfall and snowfall. Now, importance of weather. What is the importance of? Now, importance of weather. What is the importance of weather? Now, weather affect the way we live. Means the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and it also affect the activity we do in our daily life. For example, in summer day or hot day, we like to eat ice cream, we like to eat cold drink. On the other hand, in cold days, we like to have some soupy or soupy hot dishes. And weather also affect the plant and different crop. For example, in summer days or hot days, the plant will lose the water rapidly. During the rainy season, the plant will get water sufficient. So you will see crop healthier than the in rainy season. You will see the crop healthier than the summer season. This is because they will get the sufficient water, and in summer season it will lose the water rapidly. Now we move to the homework part. So your homework is you will get it in social science textbook, page number 70, practice on 1. This 5 fill in the blanks. You have to write it down on your social science textbook. You have to come. Thank you so much. Take care.